Vocabulary building. Word number 1, conviction. Definitions. A formal declaration by the verdict of a jury or the decision of a judge in a court of law that someone is guilty of a criminal offense, or a firmly held belief or opinion.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन असबाते जुर्म सज़ा दही सज़ा याबी इत्तमाद तजवीज़.
Similar words, judgment, belief, opinion, view, thought, and idea. Word number 2, accept. Definitions. Consent to receive or undertake something offered.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन ज़िम्मेदार होना कबूल करना तस्लीम मकबूल.
Similar words, obtain, acquire, come by, take on, take up, and undertake. Word number 3, disapprobation. Definitions. Strong disapproval, typically on moral grounds.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन नामंजूरी एतराज़ नफ़रत नाखुशी.
Similar words, disapproval, dislike, dissatisfaction, disfavor, and etc. Word number 4, firebrand. Definitions. A person who is very passionate about a particular cause, or a piece of burning wood.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन आग लगाने वाला जलती लकड़ी का टुकड़ा.
Similar words, radical, revolutionary, troublemaker, agitator, and rabble-rouser. Word number 5, invidious. Definitions. Of an action or situation likely to arouse or incur resentment or anger in others. Of a comparison or distinction, unfairly discriminating, unjust.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन हसद के लायक हसद अंगेज़ नफ़रत अंगेज़ तकलीफ दा.
Similar words, unpleasant, awkward, difficult, undesirable, unviable, unfair, and etc. Word number 6, placate. Definitions. Make someone less angry or hostile.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन पुरसुकून करना इत्मीनान दिलाना तसल्ली देना मुत्तमिन करना.
Similar words, pacify, calm, calm down, appease, mollify, and soothe. Word number 7, pontifical. Definitions. In the Roman Catholic Church, relating to the pontiff or pope, or categorized by pompous air of infallibility.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन मगरूर ताकतवर.
Similar words, pompous, coxer, self-important, arrogant, superior, and opinionated. Word number 8, effervescence. Definitions. Bubbles in a liquid, fizz.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन बुलबुले छोड़ना जोश उबाल किसी माया का उबाल या जाग का उछाल.
Similar words, fizz, fizziness, sparkle, bubbles. Word number 9, malaise. Definitions. A general feeling of discomfort, illness, or unease whose exact cause is difficult to identify.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन बेचैनी बेकरारी बदमज़गी.
Similar words, restlessness, uneasiness, unease, melancholy. Word number 10, cognate. Definitions. Of a word having the same linguistic derivation as other. For example, English father, German vater, Latin pater. Or related, connected, a blood relative, especially on the mother's side.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन हम असल खूनी रिश्ते से कुराबतदारी.
Similar words, linguistics, anthropology, law, associated, connected, allied, interconnected, and linked. Word number 11, mordant. Definitions. Especially of humor, having or showering a sharp or critical quality, biting. Or of substance, typically an inorganic oxide that combines with a dye or stain and thereby fixate it in a material. Impregnate or treat a fabric with a mordant.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन काटने वाला तेज़ जैसे दर्द जलाने वाला.
Similar words, caustic, trenchant, biting, cutting, acerbic, sarcastic. Word number 12, connotation. Definitions. An idea or feeling which a word invokes for a person in addition to its literal or primary meaning.
उर्दू डेफिनेशन ताबीर इशारती मफ़हूम इशारा.
Similar words, undertone, undercurrent, and implication. Word number 13, prognosticate. Definitions: foretell or prophecy, a future event.
उर्दू definition अलामत ज़ाहिर करना, खबर देना.
Similar words: forecast, predict, prophecy, foretell, divine, presage, and augur. Word number 14, refectory. Definitions: a room used for communal meals in an educational or religious institution, or stubborn or unmanageable or resistant to a process or stimulus.
उर्दू definition सरकश, नाफरमान, ज़िद्दी, दुश्वार गुजार.
Similar words: medical and geology. Word number 15, skittish. Definitions: of an animal, especially a horse, nervous or excitable, easily scared, or of a person, playfully frivolous or unpredictable.
उर्दू definition शर्मीला, डरपोक, चंचल.
Similar words: restive, excitable, nervous, easily frightened, skittery, jumpy, and playful, etc. Word number 16, traduce. Definitions: speak badly or tell lies about someone so as to damage their reputation.
उर्दू definition बदनाम करना, बुख्तान बांधना, बुरा कहना.
Similar words: defame, slander, speak ill of, and speak evil of. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.